Are you or someone you know tired of taking painkillers or maybe anti-inflammatory medications? Or maybe you've tried pain shots or injections with poor results? Are you starting to get worried about the side effects of the pain medications you're taking? Or maybe surgery has been recommended to you but you are not quite sold that surgery is the solution to your problem. If so, then I have a special event that I would like to invite you to. It's the Deep Tissue Laser Therapy Workshop that I'm hosting here at Orthopedic and Balance Therapy. Hi, I'm Dr. Arlan Alburo, and here's what you will learn at the Deep Tissue Laser Therapy Workshop. Number one, you will learn how the natural power of light can help reduce your pain and inflammation and help heal your injured tissue without the side effects of painkillers, anti-inflammatory medications, injections, or surgery. Number two, you will learn the top 2 ways to determine if your particular condition can benefit from deep tissue laser therapy. Most common conditions that are asked if it would benefit from deep tissue laser therapy include back pain, hip and knee pain, shoulder pain, heel and foot pain, even neuropathy, neck pain, headaches. We'll find that out. And finally, number 3, you'll find out the single biggest number 1 mistake people who continue to take painkillers, anti-inflammatory medications, receive pain shots make. It's a mistake that stops them from completely healing. So, here's what I need you to do. Click the sign up button below, input your information, and we'll reserve a spot for you at the upcoming Deep Tissue Laser Therapy Workshop. I will see you at the workshop.